Welcome to the Zolmi Success Academy. In this video, you'll learn how to boost your business revenue by increasing the spend per visit using smart service bundles. We'll go over how to create and sell packages both in person and online, all from your Zolmi account. The benefits of using Zolmi service packages include selling without the push. Bundled services make it easy to offer more. Clients get a great deal and you boost revenue without the awkward sales pitch. More spend, same visit. Packages increase what clients spend per appointment while keeping it simple and convenient. A better client experience. Combining treatments feels more thoughtful and premium, perfect for building loyalty and making every visit special. Let's create an irresistible offer your clients won't want to pass up, and a smart way for you to upsell your services and boost bookings at the same time. Start by heading to the Services section. This is where you'll choose the services you want to bundle. Now go to Packages and click Add Package. Start from giving your package a name that's appealing and clear, something your clients will notice and understand right away. Next, select the services you want to include. You can mix and match however you like, whether it's a haircut and beard trim or a full spa experience. Now set the total duration and pricing for your package deal. You control the value, give your clients a little something extra and they're more likely to book again. Don't forget to make it available for online booking. This way, clients can easily book multiple services in one click. And finally, write a short description so clients know exactly what's included. Keep it simple. That's it. Click Save and your new package is now available for booking. Now let me show you just how easy it is for your clients to book a package, a full bundle of services, in one simple click on your Bellyatta online booking page. They just choose the package, pick their preferred staff and time, and all the services are scheduled back-to-back automatically. Quick, seamless, and effortless. That concludes how to set up and sell service packages with Zolmi. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and then click on the notification bell.